loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I decided to do a transformation video, another one featuring my beautiful sister again, because I figured, you know, I have a beautiful face that I can practice and get better on and show different transformation looks and different eye looks with a different face other than mine. And I just decided to do like a very beautiful cut crease, something very dramatic and detailed and very glamorous. And I pretty much showed you guys all the steps that I took to achieve this look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I completed this look, full face, eyes and lips and just everything, then definitely keep on watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and pause this video and hit that subscribe button right there. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of these transformation videos, if you guys want to see more transformation videos, and if you guys want to see different looks as well. And also give this video a thumbs up for my effort. And all of the products that I use throughout this video will be listed in the description box below. I don't show them throughout the video just because I kind of wanted this video to be like a makeup therapy video, like something you can chill and watch and zone out to. I'm not going to be talking throughout the whole video just because I want you guys to relax and just, you know, have this video feel therapeutic to you, because watching makeup is therapeutic to me. So I wanted to give you guys that same feeling that I feel. And yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and just allow you guys to watch this complete transformation, and I will see you guys towards the end of the video. Alrighty, love, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all really like this look. You guys, this is such a good look. It turned out so pretty, and she loved it, and she just looked so beautiful, and I was actually really proud with the outcome, and I was actually very happy with the outcome. So once again, if you guys want to see more videos like this, I need you guys to comment down below and let me know. And also, don't forget, before we go, to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And before we go, today's motivational quote is: 2017 was the blueprint, 2018 was the foundation, and 2019 is the season you start building and God's releasing blessings on you. So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.
Hey, hey, ah, do the walk. Do.